Brown out pero kailangan mo ng hangin at ilaw? Check mo itong Akari ARF5166. 6-inch rechargeable desk fan ito na may built-in night light at 1,500 milliampere hour lithium-ion battery. Kaya nitong tumakbo ng hanggang 8 hours sa low setting pero around 2 hours lang sa high. Kaya mas bagay sa bedside, study table o emergency backup, camping, brownout o outdoor work. Itong portable solar fan ay parang 3-in-1 emergency kit. Mayroon na itong rechargeable 20,000 milliampere hour battery, 3 fan speeds, LED light na may dalawang mode, at USB output para magamit bilang power bank. May foldable stand at hiwalay na solar panel kaya madaling ipuwesto sa tent o ibabaw ng mesa. 3-in-1 backup gear na fan, emergency lamp, o power bank, itong solar electric fan sa taketop.ph. May 4 na wind settings, built-in handle, rechargeable design, at mga variant na may kasamang solar panel, may hook style option din, kaya pwedeng isabit sa tent o gamitin sa mesa. Piliin lang ng mabuti ang variation dahil may fan plus panel at may no solar version. Brownout man o outdoor trip, pwedeng maging handy backup itong PSI Cat GD8025. 6-inch rechargeable table fan. Ito na may built-in battery, LED light, at kasamang solar panel ayon sa listing. Compact ang design at may carry handle, kaya madaling ilipat sa bedside work desk o camping setup. Budget backup para sa brownout. Itong JR5591 ay pinagsamang portable fan at LED emergency light. May carry handle, adjustable front lamp at speed control knob, kaya practical sa bedside, kusina o maliit na work area.